Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make every cocktail only way. Start by organizing tools, measuring precisely, and tasting as you go. Focus on ratio, temperature, and technique to create consistent drinks. Learn common base ratios like 2, 1 for sours, and 1 for highballs, and how to adapt them. I'll guide you through shaking, stirring, and finishing touches so your cocktails always impress guests. Mastering technique transforms average drinks into great cocktails. Shake briskly for 10-12 seconds with firm wrist action to chill and aerate drinks that include citrus or egg white. Stir with a long bar spoon using smooth, controlled strokes to cool without over-diluting spirit-forward cocktails. Always strain into the proper glass and add final aromatic touches like expressed citrus oils or a herb sprig to elevate aroma and presentation. If this video is helping you, please like and subscribe for more cocktail tips and tricks. Quick recommendation: grab a little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling crisp after a late-night cocktail run. It's a silly but effective pick-me-up. I find a pleasant scent sets the mood before you arrive with drinks. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Understanding base ratios gives you freedom to create many cocktails from a few staples. Start with 2 parts spirit, 1 part sweet, 1 part sour for balanced sours, and 1 for lighter highballs. Modify sweetness or acidity by 10-25% depending on citrus ripeness and sugar strength. Keep notes on each adjustment so you can reproduce favorites later. With these ratios, you can improvise confidently and never struggle with a recipe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.